So guys, welcome to my channel. First go to this website, official website dell.com, and after that click on support and then click on driver downloads, then enter the model number and then hit to search. Select this, slow down, so wait few seconds. You can see this is loading the data. Select the driver. You can check that automatically, so you can see required driver, you can see, and then you can install directly. Otherwise you have to install manually, so you can select the driver. After that click on categorize, then you can select the operating system, by default Windows 11. So this is all driver BIOS, chipset, network, storage, video, graphic card, and all driver there. Slow down. Network, Ethernet, wireless. So this is Ethernet driver. You just connect to cable and just click on it. Now you can see it is start. Then it is completed. Open Ethernet driver, then click on yes for the installations with administrator, and then continue. After a few seconds you can see Realtek PCI Ethernet controller driver installing. It will take some time. You can see your software is updated with the driver, and just click to close.